Alright. Oh, that's a PDS for Janesville, isn't it? Jeez. There we go. Pure Janesville, or Rock County, technically.
Moving east at 60 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Evansville, Janesville, Beloit. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Broadhead, Clinton, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Footville, Fulton, Newark, Magnolia, Tiffany, Hanover, Cookstown, Avalon, Funks Hollow, and Lima Center. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.